Today, you guys are about to see the very first Talaria with this controller on it. The controller that I got for this bike is the BAC4000 on a Talaria Sting. Guys, this has never been done before, bro. The only BACs that you can put on the Talaria is the BAC8000. And I didn't know that, man. So I went on a whole mission in order to get this controller onto this bike. But before we get into that, let's check out my tune. As you can see, we're running 7,500 watts right now. So there's no modes on this. It's just one mode. It's just sport mode. So yeah, guys, let's go test out the top speed. All right, I think my display is about to die. Let's hit the top speed. 42, 43, 44, 45. Oh, it died. It's about 45 miles an hour just with a little controller upgrade. I believe I'm running a 62-tooth sprocket. So the sprocket gives it more torque, so it has less top speed. So that's why this bike isn't going at least 50 miles an hour. But guys, for me, that is so good. And guys, oh my God, this thing wheelies like crazy. So smooth, so fucking smooth compared to the old Talaria tune. Look at that, look at that. Pop it up at almost any speed. I had to go about 10 to 15 miles an hour if I wanted to pop up the front wheel and give it all I got. I had to pull all the way back. But now that I got this controller, easy. I'm gonna get into exactly why it was such a pain in order to install this controller onto this bike right here. If we look closely to my bike, you can easily tell that I got these aluminum spacers or brackets. Actually, it's kind of an adapter bracket. When I tried to install this controller, it only reached up to this point right here. And where it needed to reach was all the way up here. So I had to get some guys at a metal workshop in order to make me a bracket that would reach all the way down here and then install it onto the bike. So in the beginning, I thought it wouldn't even connect to the bike. I was without my bike for maybe like 2 months, and then I got it to finally connect. I figured everything out and I connected it onto the bike. Make sure you know before you buy a controller every single piece that you need in order for it to get installed onto the bike. Because when I bought the controller, all I thought I needed was like a wire harness in order for it to fit onto the bike. But I needed to get extension wires, a wire harness. But I had to get like 3 additional parts. I bought this controller from a homie for only 200 bucks and it ended up costing me another $350. Plus on top of the bracket, $140. And then I had to get it tuned, which was another 100 bucks. So guys, I'm telling you, if you guys are gonna get a BAC4000 for your Talaria Sting, it's got to be one of the worst mistakes that you're ever gonna make. All in all, total to get this controller onto this bike was way more than I expected. I did not want to pay that much, but it is what it is, guys. Learn from my mistakes. Do not get a BAC4000 on your Talaria Sting. Just get the 8000. Just get the 8000. Let's go over to a ride out and test out this bike's full potential. All right, boys, we have the Ghost Cat ride out right now. We got the BAC4000 installed on this. We're about to get active, bro. We're about to see what's going on. We got a lot of people up in here. I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna be a lit ass ride out. They're giving out a bike right now, so bro, that's how you know. Hey, what's up, bro? Excuse me. Get your ass out the way. Oh my God, it is active right now. Ew. Okay. Hey. Okay. Yeah, little man. Hey. Sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro.
Dude, you were there
so
from
sorry.
like the very beginning of when I got
Dude, I feel so bad for your loss. I don't know how you get so many views on just simple as this is this. It's so simple, but it works.
If it isn't broken, like, don't fix it.
Exactly. Never stop until it stops working, you know? Yo, you got work on that or what?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? A little bit? Yeah, e-bike plug! Yeah, e-bike plug! Let's get an e-bike plug on the 2025 Sir Antique! We got all the homies outside! Let's go! Yeah, Rob! Show me some work on that, Rob! And that boy Red can't even wheelie the Ghost Cat! You can't wheelie that bitch! I got you.
Let me ride that, bro. I'll show you how to wheel it.
All right, bet.
Let me ride it. Let me ride it.
Right now? All right, bet.
Let's go. Let's go.
Take that bitch. Take that bitch. Hey, we got the Ghost Cat. Show me something, Red. Show me something.
Hey, hold on. I can't do downhill.
Hey, yo, it's a BAC4000.
I don't want to mess up your bike. Let me get out of this downhill. I got you.
Hey, we on the ghost car. Let's go. Oh my God. Be careful. Bro, this seat is so cushy. And why you put me on a bike that I can't even wheelie? Oh shit. Like 7,500. It's a big boy bike. You're used to the little bike. There he is. There's Red. There's Red. Oh, ew, Red. Okay, Red. Woo. Let's go, Red. Let's go, Red. Ew. That's right. Oh my God. Hey. He's getting so active. Come on, Mia. Show me something, Mia. Yeah. Yeah, Mia.
Yeah, you're good. Sure? Yeah. Thank you.
You're strong, Emma. You're the strongest girl I've ever seen, Emma. Yeah, bro. Hey.
I got it.
Hey, please be okay, Emma. I hope you guys are good.
Thank you.
All right, dude.
I hated seeing that.
I don't like seeing that shit. I hate that.
She was killing it though.
She was killing it, but I hyped her up too much. I hyped her up. I was like, yeah. Yo, the range on that thing must be amazing.
It's like 35 miles.
Oh, yeah, that's good. E-bike plug! Show me some work, e-bike plug!
I don't like how it's so hilly.
Yeah, I know, it's hilly as fuck. I don't know how these e-bikes are doing it. Did you see that Emma ate bro?
She did?
She ate for the little one? Yeah, but she was like hitting combos. She looped all the way back, bro. She like started crying and she's not riding anymore. Yo, little man, you excited to be out in Cali, bro?
It's lit out here.
Bro, it's lit. Why is it so gray skies out though, huh? Bro, that chain, bro. So tough, man. You iced out your kid like that, bro.
Do you think he paid for it?
You paid for it?
Yeah.
That's right, bro. Is that one way, little man? Show me some work, bro. Let's go. Oh my God. Wow. Oh. On the ghost cat thing. Come on. Let's go. Hey. Little man. We got little man out here in Cali, bro. Woo. Oh my God. Keep it up. Keep it up, little man.
Yeah, we're gonna give you the win. I got a one-way little man out here in Cali, man.
This one-way little man out here in Cali, bro. Gotta get the GoPro on his head, bro. Imagine that POV.
I know, he don't like it on there.
Oh, really? How does he keep it up, bro? How does he keep it up on the ghost cat? Yeah! Oh my God! Never drop it. Never drop it, little man. Mr. Don't Try. He's like 12. Oh! He swerved that bitch. There you are, Dylan. There you are, Dylan. Bro, little man was going crazy, bro.
He's so good at it.
He's so good. He never drops it, bro. Yeah, Red, show me a wheelie, Red.
You see the way my pussy set up?
What?
Oh, they got the unique roots out here in San Clemente. Watch out, Dylan.
Go off the freaking
Bro, that sucks that you rushed it and you like put in all your wires.
I'm telling you, that's why, and I always dial my bikes up too. It's just this one time that I didn't, and that look what happened.
Dude, that was like probably the most iconic bike in all of e-bikes, bro. Like maybe Kalani Kai's bike,
Yeah.
but yours was like everybody
Where I
knew that
started,
bike,
dude,
bro.
yo.
So sad, man. But dude, that was the most epic way for it to go out though.
It
Like,
really is though.
it was the most epic
Officially
way.
the first and last owner of that bike. What? That's what
Dead
I
ass,
was thinking
bro.
about. Like nobody else is gonna be an owner.
Dude, that burning was crazy. Yo, why does this feel like GTA 5 right now, bro?
Where are you from?
I'm from Thousand Oaks, bro.
Oh, Thousand Oaks?
And
That's
you?
far, huh?
Yeah.
That's
It's like,
where Woodward is, no?
yeah,
Oh,
around there. It's like 2.5 hours. And you're in LA, right?
Anaheim.
Anaheim.
It's like nearby LA though.
Yeah. Yo, what's your name?
Damien.
Damien. Luciano, bro.
Luciano, nice to meet
Luciano, nice to meet you, dog. Get it up there. Get it up there. What the f? Activity. Lil man. Let's go, Lil man. Out in San Clemente, Lil man. Oh my God, bro. How? Bro, what genes do you have, bro? How did you birth this prodigy right here, bro?
That's because I used to ride when I was, that's all I used to do.
Oh, I bet,
And his
bro.
mom.
Yeah. So what age did he start riding? Like 3?
Yeah.
Oh my God, yo, what age did he start learning
like
wheelies?
7.
7? Oh
Like,
my
you know,
God.
he could pop him up, but
What are they gonna call him when he's not Lil anymore?
he'll still be little man because he's a junior.
They'll start calling him Big Man. You good, bro? place you like to ride more in, Philly or Cali? Cali, that's right. Don't drop, don't drop. Let's go. Let's go, don't drop that. Hit that shit. Hey! Oh my God. This boy crazy. Boy crazy. No, don't drop it. Don't drop it. Woo! Ride out is lit, bro. This ride out is lit as f. Got so much talent out here. It's insane, man. Insane. Yo, I want to see this pink bike over here. Hold up. Yo, bro, let me see that bike real quick, bro. Damn. 2025 ting? Yo, bro, did you get a powder coat on it? Stock. Stock? Yeah. They came out with fucking pink bikes? Hell yeah. I didn't even know they had. Yeah, bro, have you ever ridden in San Clemente?
Yeah, this is where we did our one video.
What video?
Red Suron, when you just got it.
Oh, I see. My boy, you need a ghost cat, huh? Oh, you good? Yo, Aiden, you all right, man?
You got him?
Yeah.
Down that way, I meant to go that way.
Bro, oh, right here?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I knew that was gonna happen, bro.
Uh-huh.
I was going too fast. I tried braking, but I was already in there.
Yeah, bro, hop on your bike, let's go.
Let's go. Thanks, bro, I appreciate you.
Mia, I'm gonna need to see some work, Mia. Yeah, oh. Bro, you gave away that Frigo yesterday? Man, that was crazy, bro. The person that found that must have been so happy, dude.
I hope so.
Dude, I bet he was he?
Yeah, he was.
Oh, shit! Oh my God! Oh my God! What the f? For pedal bikes?
My eyes!
You gotta be shitting me right now.
Oh, my eyes, bro.
Ah, f. Ow. Ah. Yo, this ride out has turned into a fucking chase.